Sediment is any material that is broken down by the process of weathering and then transported by wind, water, or gravity. Sediments are usually transported by water. Runoff can move sediment into streams and other water passages. How do you think this process affects populations of aquatic organisms? Let's explore. This is the lab, Its+Sedimentary+My+Dear+Watson. For this lab, we will need the following materials: 2 plastic containers, sand, a spray bottle, water, a metric ruler, a stopwatch, a foam cup, and a sharpened pencil. First, we're going to use a foam cup to build a sandcastle in one of our plastic containers. Now that our sandcastle is built, we will measure its height with a metric ruler. What is the height of this sandcastle?
About 11.5 centimeters.
Go ahead and record this height in the Data and Observations section. Next, we'll use the spray bottle that has been filled with water. For this step, we want to make sure to adjust the tip of the spray bottle so it sprays a mist. Now we're going to spray our sandcastle for 30 seconds. Now that it has been 30 seconds, we're going to measure the height of our sandcastle. What is the height of the sandcastle after it has been sprayed with a mist?
It's about the same, 11.5 centimeters.
Go ahead and record this height in your Data and Observations section. Let's go ahead and rebuild a new sandcastle with fresh sand. For this step, we want to make sure to adjust the tip of the spray bottle so it sprays a stream. Now we're going to spray our new sandcastle for 30 seconds. Now that it has been 30 seconds, we're going to measure the height of our sandcastle again. What is the height of the sandcastle after it has been sprayed with a stream?
It's about 9.5 centimeters.
Go ahead and record your observations in the Data and Observations section. We're now going to build one more fresh sandcastle. For this last step, we need our foam cup. And we're going to poke 3 holes in the bottom of the foam cup with a sharpened pencil. We'll then put our fingers over the holes and then fill the cup with water. Finally, we're going to let the water run out of our holes and onto our castle. And we'll measure the height of our sandcastle again. What is the height of the sandcastle after this step?
It doesn't look like we have a sandcastle anymore.
Go ahead and record your observations in your Data and Observations section and answer the Analyze and Conclude questions.